Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English Boost Motivation Learning channel. Today, we will learn basic English sentences for daily life. These sentences are very easy, very common, and very useful. You can use them every day. Listen carefully, repeat slowly. Let us begin. Part 1. Why daily English sentences are important. Daily English sentences help you speak English naturally. You do not need long sentences. You need simple sentences. Simple sentences help you speak without fear, understand others, build confidence. If you practice daily sentences, your English will improve. Part 2. Daily greeting sentences. Now let us learn some greeting sentences. Listen and repeat. Hello, how are you? Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Nice to meet you. These sentences are used every day. Practice them slowly.
Part 3. Sentences for asking help. Now, sentences for asking help. Listen carefully. Can you help me? Please help me. Can you explain this? Can you say it again? These sentences are very useful in real life. Repeat slowly. Part 4. Polite daily sentences. Polite sentences make your English better. Listen. Thank you very much. I am sorry. Excuse me. Please wait a moment. That is okay. Polite English sounds respectful. Use these sentences daily. Part 5. Daily life action sentences. Now, sentences for daily actions. Listen and repeat. I am going to work. I am coming home. I eat breakfast. I drink water. I am learning English. These are real-life sentences. Practice speaking them slowly.
Part 6. Sentences to talk about what you like or need. Listen carefully. I like tea. I like coffee. I need water. I want to learn English. I need some help. These sentences are very common. Repeat again slowly. Part 7. Simple questions for daily life. Now, simple questions for daily life. Listen. What is this? Where are you going? What do you want? How are you today? What time is it? Questions help you start conversations. Practice asking questions. Part 8. Daily practice method. How can you practice daily English sentences? You can speak in front of a mirror, repeat after videos, use sentences at home, speak slowly and clearly. Practice 10 to 15 minutes every day. Daily practice is very important.
Part 9. Motivation for beginners. Remember one thing. You do not need perfect English. You need regular practice. Daily sentences build confidence. Speak every day. Even small practice is good. Ending. Thank you for watching. This was Basic English Sentences for Daily Life. Like this video, share with new learners, subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Keep learning English.